welcome back to the vlog. So this week is relatively a short week because it was bank holiday Monday yesterday. Today is Tuesday, but I have the day off and then I'm only in work Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I'm in the office all day on Thursday, so I'll see if I can get some clips of that. Not too sure if I can, but I'll try my best to get some clips. Today on my day off I thought I'll bring you along with me to go get the rest of my arm tattooed. So I got this little gap here which needs to be finished off. It's with a different artist who actually did the beginning part on my sleeve. A little nervous to see if it's gonna match. Hopefully she can do a good job and get it to match for me, or to the best of her ability. Gonna go do that now. So it's about 11 o'clock right now and my appointment is at 12:30 and I need to drive to Bristol. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is going to get everything set up in the car and then we're going to drive to Bristol. Right now we're in Tesco's and also got myself a Costa for the road. And it's autumn milk today. So yeah, probably see you when I get to Bristol. Well, driving up here was a bit of a headache today. It took longer than usual. It only takes for an hour, but it took close to an hour and 30 minutes, so that's not fun. But I got here, I managed to park up just so the tattoo artist walked into the shop because they were also arriving late. There's a lot of roadworks going on today. Get out, go over now and yeah, get it started. Say goodbye to the last bit of bare skin on my arm. And that is Kittle all done and dusted. It was 3 months worth of posting reels, 9 reels in total and 24 stories. Thanks Kittle for sponsoring my Instagram and I really did love using your product. Find a better place to place my phone, but I'm not driving, but I am off into town right now to go get my nails done because they're looking a little bit sad. Haven't had them done in over a month, which is not like me, but yeah, they're all off now, so I'm just gonna go get them and I'm probably gonna feel more like myself. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and the usual spiel. I also do one-on-one mentoring sessions over on my Super Peer. If that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And I also have a newsletter called Handover where I send out UX related content every single month. Again, if that's something you're interested in, there's a link in the description below. And until next time, bye!